Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am here with another Born Pretty store review of their 3D Magnetic Aurora Series polishes. It's a set of 6 and I have them all right here. As you can see, let me go ahead and show you. So they do come in these boxes. I've already taken them out. So they come nicely wrapped and packaged, well wrapped in those boxes. So I've already taken them out of the box. I will show you the names as I am swatching them, and I'm going to swatch the first 3 on my nails. Obviously I will repeat one of the colors, and then the other 3 I will swatch them on a swatch wheel. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here are all the swatches completed. I have 1, 2, and 3 on my nails, and I actually, sorry, I switched them, got them out of order on the wheel, but this one is number 5, 4, and 6. So I got these two switch. Instead of having 4, 5, 6, I have 5, 4, and 6. Okay, and if you're noticing, yes, so not much difference between the two sets of the first set between 1 through 3 and then 5 through 6, because here's number 2 and number 5. Okay, together, let me try to get a better. Okay guys, here's 5 and 2 together. 2 is the one on my fingernail, and then 5 it's on the tip. Very similar, I mean very faint difference between the two. Okay, and let me now show you on the bottle so you can see what they look like. So here are the bottles again. Now you don't start noticing the difference, much of a difference, until maybe on the shifting. See that this, it looks like it has that rose color mixed in there, and let me show you the label underneath. Okay, that's number 2 right there, and the name of this one, Lightning. So the name of this one is Lightning, and then number 5 is called Fairbanks Arts. Okay, but yeah, it's not until you, and it's, I mean, even at some parts, it's like, so yeah, between this two, I don't know, it's like really not much difference between the two of them. Now let's look at the other pair. Okay, so here is number 4 on the tip and number 1 on my nail, and I'm trying to get you to see the shifting. So the one on my nail, number 1, it's like it has more of a light purple with the magenta pink, and the one on the tip, number 4, it has more of a darker bluish purple, and I will show you. You can see that on the bottles. I can see that better. Okay, all of these are gorgeous. Let's look at the bottles. So here are the bottles, and I can see a better difference between the two shades than what the viewfinder is showing on camera. But just to show you the labels again, there it is. And then this one, number 1, right there. Okay, but very beautiful. Now let's look at the other pair to compare. Okay, so the last pair here, I have number 6 on the tip and number 3 on my nail. So number 6, it looks more like a turquoise, where the one on my nail looks more green, right? Can you see that? And let's look at them on the bottles. Okay, so here they are. This one's number 6. See them together. The shifting on both appears the same, from like the turquoise to purple, and then from the green to purple. See that? And let's look at the label. This one is Aurora Borealis. There's number 6. And then number 3, the name of this one, the Gravity. Let's look at the label right there. So you can see that they are different labels, but very, very similar. I don't know why they did this. It doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of diversity. So here they are together, and yeah, like, as I was saying, it seems like there's not much diversity in the difference in colors between the 6. Honestly, if I was to purchase any 3 out of this set, I will purchase one set or the other, either 1 through 3 or 4 through 6, and not feel like I'm missing anything by not having the whole series of all 6 of them. Very, very similar. Nonetheless, absolutely gorgeous. Of course, that cat eye shifting for regular polishes. Look at that. I held the magnet for about 20 seconds while I'm slightly blowing on the nails, allowing for them to dry and trying to keep as much of that cat eye line as possible. But you know what? It's with the different, it turns into more of a galaxy. You don't have that fine precise line there, but the spreading, it really works towards the design. I really think so. So it's very pretty, and with the movement, take a look at my pinky. So I turned out that I held the magnet maybe a little too low, but then with the movement, check that out. And so yeah, I've already finished these with the top coat. And here's just another closer look. So that is it for this review and these swatches, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will have all links down in the description bar below, as well as my code IDUK31, which will save you a 10% discount on Born Pretty Store. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these gorgeous polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.